Burbsy's first PC. First step, power supply. Look at this sexy case too. Alright, here we go. You got it. Scariest part, do it. Push. Random access memories, y'all. Alright, heatsink is installed. What's next, Burbs? You don't even know.
Yeah, the fan.
Then they... First post.
Yes.
No, I know what the problem was.
Yeah.
Wait. Do that. Now do this. Oh, we got fans. Oh shit, we got ourselves a PC, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, do it. Set up something.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Windows, baby. Oh look, we got Windows. Step 1, launch Internet Explorer and download Chrome. Yeah, buddy. Oh gosh. That is so satisfying. Oh god. It's so dark. Oh my god, we got Vidya games.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh. Click, 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 click.